It's Penny Zenker, your productivity expert, looking to help you with some tips and tools. And I'm back with Zoom. And I wanted to show you specifically around creating meetings and the settings that you want to set for meetings, that you want to be able to play music, because otherwise it's going to have a tinny. If it's going to come through your microphone, it's going to have sort of a tinny sound, and you want it to be better quality. So you're going to go into your settings and you're going to go to audio, and then you're going to go to advanced. And then you see here that you can show in meeting option to enable original sound from the microphone. So when you go into Zoom, you're going to be able to, when you share your screen, you need to know these options now are shown at the bottom to share my computer sound and to optimize the screen share for a video clip if you're going to play videos. Now, the value to that is going to be able to use original sound from your computer. So when you're playing a video or you have music when you're doing a pause or somebody's doing an exercise, you're going to get the highest quality of sound from Zoom. Thanks for joining, and please do subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.